Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make sorbet at home. First, let's gather our essential tools and ingredients. You will need about 4 cups of fresh, ripe fruit, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. A good quality ice cream maker is absolutely key for that smooth, icy consistency we all love. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen for at least 24 hours. The next step is creating a simple syrup, which provides the sweetness and helps prevent ice crystals. Combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Once clear, remove it from the heat and let it cool down entirely, ideally in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Now for the fun part, blending and churning. Take your 4 cups of fresh fruit, like berries or mango, and blend them in a food processor or blender until you have a smooth puree. Strain the puree if you prefer a seedless sorbet. Then, mix this fruit puree with your chilled simple syrup. Pour the combined mixture into your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. After churning, your sorbet will be soft, like a thick milkshake. Carefully transfer it into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours or until it becomes firm enough to scoop easily. For the best texture, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This allows it to soften slightly, making it perfectly scoopable and incredibly refreshing. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.